हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर जीके लर्निंग यूट्यूब चैनल बेस्ट इंग्लिश जीके फॉर यू। इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए। लास्ट में ऐसे 5 अमेजिंग क्वेश्चंस दूंगा जिनके आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए। लेट्स स्टार्ट जीके। इंडियाज फर्स्ट वुमन प्रेसिडेंट एसएमटी प्रतिभा पाटिल। इंडियाज फर्स्ट वुमन यूनियन मिनिस्टर राजकुमारी अमृता कौर। फर्स्ट इंडियन टू पास ICS A. Surendranath Banerjee. First Indian to ICS officer C. Satyendranath Tagore. First Governor of Bengal A. Lord Clive. The famous lake of India is B. Chilka Lake. The largest irrigation canal in India is C. Indira Gandhi. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year D. 1921. Which of the following countries have an unwritten country? B. UK. Which one of the following part is located on eastern coast of India? D. Paradip. Which of the following state does not border on Myanmar? A. Meghalaya. Sex ratio refers to number of women. C. Per 100 males. Which of the following sites has been included in UNESCO's list of the heritage sites? D. Sundarbans National Park. Who started the Sakai era, which still used by the government of India? A. Kanishka. The famous Gir forests are located in C. Gujarat. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? B. Indo-Greeks. First British Prime Minister to visit India? C. Harold Millen. The decimal system of Indian currencies was started in B. 1957. Which of the following does not have an influence over the climate in India? C. Ocean current. Where is Bandipur National Park? D. Karnataka. The most extensive soils cover of India comprises C. Alluvial soils. The maximum are under crops in India is used for a cultivation of B. Rice. Which states in India is estimated to have the latest coal reserves in India? D. Bihar. Which of the following districts is on the international border of India? C. Karimganj. Where is the Indian Institute of Petroleum located? A. Dehradun. Where is India was known as Avantika in ancient times? D. Malwa. In which season of Congress the demand of Purna Swaraj was expected as the claim of the Congress? D. Lahore. Approximately what is the length of the rail route to traffic of India? A. 63,000. Which is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India? C. Bangalore. The painting reaches in Zenith during the region of D. Jahangir. Name the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India. A. Fahim. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which religion has the most followers in India? B. Hinduism. Which is the longest river in India? D. Ganga. Which city is the financial capital of India? A. Mumbai. Which city is the most populated city in India? D. Mumbai. Name of the atomic submarine of India? A. INS. What is the name of first British to visit India? C. Hawkins. Name of the first election commissioner of India? C. Sukumar Sen. Where was the first post office opened in India? B. Kolkata in 1726. Red Cross was founded by? C. G.H. Durant. The highest peak in South India is? A. Anaimudi. What is the rank of India in the world in the terms of rice exports? D. Second. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India was established? B. 1920. What was the real name of Mumtaz Mahal? C. Arjumand Banu Begum. Name of the first Indian missile? A. Prithvi. Where is the Indian National Railway Museum situated? D. Delhi. The most literate Union city territory in India is B. Lakshadweep. The earliest city discovered in India was D. Harappa. When was the Public Service Commission of the original version of the UPSC set up? A. 1 अक्टूबर 1926। दोस्तों 5 अमेजिंग क्वेश्चंस जो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए। फर्स्ट, मोस्ट पीसफुल कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड। सेकंड, हाउ मच ऑफ आवर ब्रेन डू वी यूज? Which came first, the egg or the chicken? Who built the Jama Masjid? 5. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया गाइस। नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के लिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।